Here in video 45, we're going to show how you can draw a simple polyline and select the object command ditch and create a ditch in any terrain model. So we'll illustrate that by going to where we need a ditch. This area here has a tendency to pull water up in this upper part. The DTM is irregular. You'll see that if we take this polyline and make it drape to the surface. Now remember, we want it to be 854.2 and 853.4. So if we drape it to the surface, it gets really irregular in the profile view. You can see that. But if we go back to 3D, we still have our two elevations there, and if we view it in profile view, let's make sure we select it, polyline 2, view it. It's got a nice slope of roughly 1%. If you want to make it more than 1%, come down here and lower the ending elevation to 853.3 and view it in 3D. You can see now it's slightly over 1%. See how that's done. So now you can select the ditch icon, check out its cross section. We're going to go with a V shape. We can choose trapezoidal if we like. We're going slightly over 2 to 1 at 55%, left and right. And then we're going to finish command, and we will merge the surfaces. Now after it completes the merge, you can see we have a little area where it's cut in, and we could do the following. We can double check if we actually accumulate water now after this DTM change. So we'll click on the storm and calculate. Pause in the meantime. And resuming, you can see there is no pulled up water. If you wanted to indicate here, you could work on changing some of the hatch patterns, but if you draw a quick little polyline that's roughly parallel here, oops, let's come around and do it this way. We'll draw a polyline that starts on this bank and runs up opposite across the V ditch back to the other side, and C to close. In this selected polyline, you could decide to drop in stone 8, and that will give the sense of a rip-wrapped area there. Got a little lighting effect here, depends where the light shines, but you can see we have rip-wrapped that little drainage ditch. However, it's probably not necessary to do so because at a 1% slope, grass will work.